In a world of flashy phones, the Google Pixel 9 Pro takes a simpler route.
It's not just another smartphone, it's Google's best effort yet, crafted with precision and intelligence. Let's dive deep, and I'll walk you through what makes this phone so special. Design and build. The Pixel 9 Pro continues Google's tradition of understated elegance. The matte finish gives it a soft, premium touch, while the subtle curves make it comfortable to hold. What I love? It doesn't scream for attention, it just feels right in your hand. Display quality. If you're a display junkie like me, you'll notice this 6.8-inch OLED screen hits all the right spots. Deep blacks, bright whites, and colors that pop, but not too much. It's like having a cinema in your pocket. Whether it's day or night, it adjusts effortlessly to give you the best view. Performance. Powered by Google's in-house Tensor G4 chipset, it's built for multitasking, gaming, and handling everything life throws at you. You know when a phone feels just right, not too fast but never slow? That's the Pixel 9 Pro. And it stays cool, no matter what you throw at it. Camera features. Here's where the Pixel really shines, its camera. The 50MP main sensor captures life exactly as you see it. Night shots? Stunning. Portraits? Crisp and full of detail. But the magic? It's in the way Google's software works behind the scenes to make your photos look like professional-grade shots. Software experience. Pixel isn't just about hardware, it's about the Google experience. The software feels like it's built for humans. The AI smarts assist with everything from answering your calls to writing texts. And don't get me started on the assistant, it's like having a real assistant, always one step ahead. Battery life. Battery life? A full day, easy. Even with 5G, high usage, and all the bells and whistles, it'll get you through your day without hunting for a charger. And if you do need a top-up, wireless charging and fast charging have your back. Final thoughts. So, is the Google Pixel 9 Pro for you? If you value a balanced, clean experience without unnecessary fluff, it's hard to beat. It's not just a phone, it's a tool that quietly gets the job done, without ever asking for praise. And that, to me, makes it a winner.